Hello everyone. Hope you are doing good at home. Hope you enjoyed your Eid very well. So after the enjoyment, after the festival, we welcome you back to our lessons, the class 7s. And I have to say this, class 7, you are letting us down. Most of you are uncooperative. You are not cooperating. Only a handful are doing the work, and that is Najima, Siham, Shoaib Aden, Shoaib Abdrazak, just to mention a few. Those are the ones that I always see they do the work and submit it. The others, stop sleeping, wake up. Remember, you are the pre candidates, or you think you are going to repeat again. So make sure that the works that we are sending, please, you are doing it and submitting it for marking. Stop wasting your time doing nothing. So today I want to take you the tenses. The tenses. And a tense is a form of a verb that indicates the time when an action was performed. A tense is a form of a verb that indicates the time when an action was performed. There are three main tenses. We have three main tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Each of these tenses is subdivided into four groups. Each of the above tenses is subdivided into four groups, that is simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, perfect continuous tense. That's how they are subdivided. So we are going to look at each of them and see how they are being used. The first one, we have present tense. Present tense. In the present tense, present simple tense. Under present tense, we are going to look at the present simple tense. Present simple tense, it is the simple form of a verb before it is changed. It is simple form of a verb before it is changed to any other tense. For example, sing, go, dance, cook, and dance. These are simple. It's just a simple form of a verb before it is changed to any other tense. Uses of present simple tense are as follows. Number one, to talk about habitual action. Habitual from the word habit, things that we do every day. Example in a sentence: we go to mosque every Friday. That's a habit that every Friday we go to mosque. So there, if you want to talk about habitual or things that we do every day or now and then, we use present simple tense. In that case, we have we go. Go is as present simple tense. To talk about general truths or facts. When you want to talk about facts or general truths, we also use the present simple tense. Example in a sentence, we have the earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. That is a fact. That is a fact. The earth revolves around the sun. So revolves is the present simple tense. When used with the singular nouns and the pronouns, letter S is added. Letter S is added except for the pronoun you and I. Except for the pronoun you and I. Present continuous formation. It is formed using is, are, and am, and a verb in ing form. And a verb in ing form. For example, is playing, are singing, and I am sitting. Uses of present continuous: to talk about an action in progress. When you want to talk about an action in progress, you use present continuous. Taking place now, something that is taking place now, that is an action in progress. Example, we are going to school. It's now. It's happening now. We are going to school to talk about future arrangement. When you want to talk about future arrangement, an event to take place in future, want to talk about an event that will take place in future, you also use present continuous. Dan is traveling to Kisumu next week. Dan is traveling to Kisumu next week. To talk about progressive happenings, the sea level is rising. The sea level is rising. It is a progressive happening, something that is progressing, going on. Episodes of flash floods are increasing every day. Episodes of flash floods are increasing every day. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. This is tense is formed using has or have. It's formed using has or have and a verb in the past participle. And a verb in the past participle form. For example, has gone. That is a verb in past participle. Has eaten, eaten. Have swam, swam. And have broken. So gone, eaten, swam, and broken. These are verbs in past participle form. We also use to talk about an action that has just been completed. If you want to talk about an action that has just been completed, you use a present perfect tense. An action that has ended in the near past. Example, the animals have drunk water from the river. The animals have drunk water from the river. Mwende has gone to school. Mwende has gone to school. Those are have drunk. Drunk is a verb in the past participle. Gone, a verb in past participle. So present perfect tense, we've said we use has and have with the verb in the past participle. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. This tense is formed using has, have been, and a verb in ing form. I've said in this case the present perfect continuous is formed by using have, has, been, and a verb in ing form. For example, has been running, have been writing. Use number 1 to talk about an action that has been going on but has just ended. Talk about an action that has been going on but has just ended. Example, they have been rehearsing for the festival before you came. They have been rehearsing for the festivals before you came. To talk about an action that has been going on for some time and is still going on at the time of speaking. You want to talk about an action that has been going on for some time and is still going on at the time of speaking. For example, they have been running since 5 a.m. They have been running since 5 a.m. So, class 7, that marks the end of our lesson today. I hope, or I wish you listen to the lesson very well. In an area that you feel like you didn't understand very well, you are free to ask. And after this lesson, there is an exercise I'm sending just to test on your understanding of whatever we have learned today. So take care of yourselves, stay safe at home.